Are you slowly ruining your own future?
I don't know anymore.
You missed your classwork again today?
I forgot it at home.
Be honest with me. What distracts you the most?
Mostly my phone and games.
And how many hours disappear because of that?
Maybe 5 or 6 hours every day.
5 hours daily can destroy a student's future.
I never thought about it like that.
Success is built from small daily habits.
My habits are terrible right now.
Did you even finish your homework?
Only half of it.
Why only half?
I wasted too much time online.
Laziness feels harmless until life becomes difficult.
That sounds painfully true.
Discipline matters more than motivation.
Discipline is hard for me.
Then, what kind of person do you want to become?
Someone responsible.
Responsible people do difficult things consistently.
I usually give up too quickly.
Your future changes when your excuses stop.
I think excuses control me.
A distracted mind cannot build a strong future.
That explains why I feel lost sometimes.
What time did you sleep last night?
Around 2 in the morning.
And you wonder why your brain feels exhausted.
I can barely focus in class anymore.
Your habits are training your brain every single day.
I never realized habits were that powerful.
Small bad choices slowly become big problems.
I understand that now.
Do your parents know you are struggling like this?
No. They trust me a lot.
Then don't betray that trust.
I really don't want to disappoint them.
Especially don't disappoint yourself.
That hurts to hear.
Because I know you are actually smart.
Really?
Yes, your problem is not intelligence.
Then what is my problem?
Talent without discipline becomes wasted potential.
That line hit me hard.
Do you know why most students fail?
Why?
Because comfort feels easier than responsibility.
I choose comfort too often.
Easy choices create hard lives later.
I don't want that future.
Good. That means you still care.
I want to change myself.
Change starts with daily action, not promises.
Then I need better habits immediately.
What will you change first?
I will reduce my phone time.
And replace that time with learning.
I could improve so much if I do that.
Your future is being built by what you repeat daily.
Then I have been building the wrong future.
But you can still rebuild it starting today.
I want to start right now.
Real growth begins when excuses end.
Then my excuses end today.
Make yourself proud before seeking approval from others.
Tomorrow will not change me. What I do today will.